Hello everyone, now we are going to solve the questions based on the effect of gyroscopic couple on naval ship. The heavy turbine rotor of a sea vessel rotates at 1500 rpm clockwise. Looking from the stern, stern basically the rear end of the ship. Its mass being 750 kg, the vessel pitches with an angular velocity of 1 radian per second. Determine the gyroscopic couple transmitted to the hull when the bow is rising. If the radius of gyration for the rotor is 250 mm, and also show that in what direction the couple also act on the hull. Okay, so what we are going to calculate? First, we need to calculate the gyroscopic couple. Then we will have to find out the directions, or you can say the effect of the couple. Okay, so one by one we will see. So what is given in the questions? Speed is given, that is 1500 rpm. 1500 rpm. From here we can calculate omega, that is 2 pi n upon 60. Okay, so when you calculate this 2 pi n, this is the speed in rpm basically. So when you calculate omega, it would comes out to be 157.1 radian per second. Okay, and the pitches with the angular velocity of 1 radian per second. So angular velocity of precision is given, that is 1 radian per second. 1 radian per second. Gyroscopic couple we can calculate, but we need to find out the moment of inertia also. We know that I is equal to mk square. The mass is given, that is 750, and the radius of gyration is also given, that is 250 mm, that means 0.25 whole square. So from here you can calculate the moment of inertia, that would comes out to be 46.875 kilogram into meter square. Okay, so we are having all values for gyroscopic couple. We know that gyroscopic couple is equal to I omega p. What is the value of I? 46.875, and omega is 157.1, and omega p is 1. So from here you can calculate the value, that would comes out to be 7364 Newton into meter, and it would be 7.364 kilonewton into meter. Okay, so that would be the gyroscopic couple. And however, we have to calculate the direction, or you can say that we have to calculate the effect of this couple. See, we need to understand what is the conditions given in the question. A turbine rotor of a sea vessel rotate clockwise. This is important term, clockwise. Looking from the stern side, that means when you're looking from the stern side like that, this is the rear end of the ship. Okay, and we know that this rear end is known as stern and the front end is known as bow. When you're looking from the rear end, the left side of the ship is known as port, whereas right side is known as starboard. Okay, so what is the condition given when you're looking from the rear end? See here, this is the initial position. See here, the angular velocity is 1 radian per second, and the rotation is, what is the direction of rotation? Clockwise. Okay, clockwise is given. So when you're looking from the stern side and the direction of rotation of the engine is clockwise, so it would be like that. It would be like that. Okay, clockwise rotations. You have to use right hand thumb rule. So this is the initial position. This is omega initial, and we know that what is pitching. In the pitching of the ship, there will be a upward and downward movement of the bow as well as stern. Okay, that is the general things for pitching. So in the question it is given that the bow is rising. If the bow is rising, that means reactive gyroscopic couple would be in that direction. If the bow is rising, the active gyroscopic couple would be in that direction. You can use right hand thumb rule. That would be, you can get the direction of reactive gyroscopic couple. Okay, that would be reactive gyroscopic couple. So that means active gyroscopic couple would be in that direction. This would be active gyroscopic couple in that direction. That means we have rotated ship towards in the directions. But what is the effect? Always I'm going to tell you the effect means reactive gyroscopic couple. So effect means reactive gyroscopic couple, and you can see that the reactive gyroscopic couple is in the right side of the ship. That means the ship will try to turn. The ship will try to turn toward starboard, toward starboard side, toward starboard side. Okay, focus on the reactive gyroscopic couple always. Okay, because reactive gyroscopic couple is basically the effect of pitching on the ship. Okay, so you can see that there will be a effect that ship will try to turn toward starboard side. Starboard means when you're looking from the stern side, right side of the ship is considered as a starboard. Okay, so I hope you will understand the solution of that question.